So before I start this video off, I want to correct something that I said wrong in my previous video about the Jaguar XK8. I did get it messed up. I do have a 2006 XK8 also, along with the 98. The 98, you are correct, is a steel-bodied vehicle. The 2006, though, I have is aluminum body and is a riveted monocoque body. But you are correct when you say it was a steel body vehicle. This one does not have the normal rust like you talk about inside the wheel wells, up underneath, and the main frame channels. It does not have any of that. It's been inspected. There's nothing there. So, but you are correct. It does have a steel body, not an aluminum body. I want to get that straight. I've seen a lot of comments on that. I want to make sure I'm correct on that with you guys. All right, now onto the video. Hey guys, so I'm out here in the garage. It's a cold day here in Minnesota, but I'm out here in the garage trying to get things set back up, guys. It's been years since I've been able to do anything. But I'm happy to be out here. It's awesome. Got the heater turned on. Yeah, I got some things I'm working on. Gonna get them done here, get everything set up so we can start working on some stuff here. You can see all my stuff that I've got just thrown there. That's all got to be gone through. Half of it's probably junk. Gonna get everything straightened up there. Starting to get everything set up here so I can get stuff done. We got the QuickJacks in the box right here. I still got to take them out of the box and get that set up. Making some room up there. Got rid of my workbench that I had for years. Making some more room in the garage, so I got room to work here. Got all my diagnostic tools set up there, so we're getting things ready to go. Looking forward to getting things done. You can see the ceiling up here behind me. I fixed a leak on that over the summertime. Getting ready to put some insulation in there, get that taken care of. So it's an old house, guys. It's an old garage, but I've done a ton of vehicles in this garage. Hell, I think I've worked on 400 plus vehicles in this garage over the last 15 years, and everything from rebuilding engines to transmissions, everything else. You know, you don't need a huge space to work in. You just need to be able to do the work. So we're going to get her taken care of, and then we're going to have some fun out here again and make some videos for you guys. Go from there.